Are we gonna open presents? Huh?
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Oh, let's open a present. Oh, what's in there? You just like the bag, huh? Huh? Ooh. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Oh, look at the bag.
Hey!
There's Grandma. So many presents.
That's quite the thing. I think she likes the bag better than anything else.
Oh yeah?
Are you going to be a flash dancer?